In this video, we will learn how to display or hide index displays. Follow these steps to display or hide the index displays. Right-click the index display or the front panel object where we want to display the index. We can select the visible items and then index display item from the array shortcut menu to display or hide the index display. We can also use the index visible property to show and hide the index displays programmatically. Let's change it to right. Let's create a control so that we can operate it from the front panel. It is false, so index display would be turned off. Index display would become invisible when we run the VI. Index display, let's set it to true. We want to see the index display. Run the VI and the index display appears.